Hey everyone, welcome back to Mechanical Special. Imagine driving down the road and suddenly your brake pedal sinks to the floor. No resistance, no stopping power, just a sinking feeling of dread. It's a nightmare scenario, but don't panic. In today's video, we'll break down the reasons why your car's brake pedal sinks onto the floor and how you can fix it. First, let's quickly go over how your car's braking system works. When you press the brake pedal, it engages the master cylinder, which forces brake fluid through the brake lines to each of the wheels. This fluid pressure activates the brake calipers or wheel cylinders, pressing the brake pads or shoes against the rotors or drums, and slowing the vehicle down. If your car's brake pedal goes to the floor, it indicates a serious issue that needs immediate attention. There are several potential culprits, and let's go through each one. 1. Brake fluid leak. One of the most common reasons for a brake pedal going to the floor is a brake fluid leak. When there's a leak in the brake lines, calipers, or master cylinder, the hydraulic pressure that activates the brakes diminishes, causing the pedal to sink. 2. Air in the brake lines. Air in the brake lines can significantly reduce braking efficiency. Since air is compressible, it can prevent the hydraulic fluid from properly pressurizing the brake system, leading to a soft or spongy brake pedal that can go to the floor. 3. Master cylinder failure. The master cylinder is responsible to convert the force from your foot on the brake pedal into hydraulic pressure. If it fails or its seals wear out, it can cause the brake pedal to sink all the way to the floor when you try to brake. 4. Worn brake pads or shoes. Brake pads and shoes are the components that physically press against the rotors or drums to stop the vehicle. If your brake pads or shoes are extremely worn, the calipers or wheel cylinders may need to extend farther than usual to make contact, which can result in the brake pedal going to the floor. 5. Damaged or worn brake lines. Brake lines carry brake fluid from the master cylinder to the brakes. If these lines become damaged or corroded, they can leak fluid or lose the ability to properly transmit pressure. This can cause the brake pedal to lose firmness and go to the floor. 6. Faulty brake booster. The brake booster uses vacuum pressure to help you apply the brakes. If it fails, you may notice the brake pedal becoming very hard to press, or it may go to the floor with little resistance. 7. Low brake fluid levels. Low brake fluid can lead to a loss of hydraulic pressure in the braking system, making the pedal go to the floor. This could be due to leaks or simply not topping up the fluid when needed. 8. ABS system malfunction. The ABS system is designed to prevent wheel lockup during hard braking, maintaining traction. If there is an issue with the ABS module or a sensor, it can sometimes cause the brake pedal to behave erratically, including sinking to the floor. 9. Collapsed brake hoses. Rubber brake hoses can sometimes collapse internally, preventing brake fluid from flowing properly. This can cause the pedal to feel soft and go to the floor when pressure is applied. Now let's talk about fixing a brake pedal that goes to the floor. If you find a leak, you'll need to replace the damaged brake line, hose, or caliper. Inspect the master cylinder. If it is damaged or faulty, replace it. For brake booster issues, you'll typically need to replace the booster. After replacing the faulty component, make sure to bleed the brakes to remove any air that may have entered the system. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tutorials. Drive safe, and I will see you in the next video.